live. Even if I'm not telling up on the live. I don't know she enough, so she had enough of them. Right now, them sit down on the live, sit down and want to comment and afraid to see. But anyone I no comment on me and today, cause I have it. I have the time. I have the time now. Anyone on me, I don't know. My man is at work. He's a working class man. So when people tell me say my man at work, I laugh. Only just listen to everything. I say people just dumb. They think if they are yard every day, they lie to sit down with me. Eh? I don't know what I'm doing in a life, but it's either the man ex or my ex them. Enough of them man I go like them man batty man, you know. And go like them man a mama man, you know. Them a mama man, you know. Them a mama man. Remember I tell you that. Yeah. Enough of them look a girl fake page or some man. Enough time them show up themselves for me know. Enough time them show up themselves for me know say them. Enough time them have a fake page and them think I don't know say them. Some of them are some man. But feel though superstars alone go over pink wall. If one never go over pink wall, you're not a celebrity. Ivani, you are the next mad. Hey, listen to me, lady. Maybe by superstars. Superstars what? That's how we This are the local where they call a corner they know. This are the corner where people grieve and them vent. You know, look at each where them have fear over there, them vent it and them grieve it over there, them have it. That's not a celebrity spot, baby girl. Celebrity spot upon Forbes. Right over Forbes, I want to land where I tell me how much my worth and how much money my worth and how much my day. That's what I want to land. Man, look at celebrity spot that I found up on the star upon the ground. Me is upon the star upon the ground. Me for day right to the star. You see Miss Nicki chromaz upon the star. Get that celebrity over there, so them vent. Over there, so the whole of the haters them vents. Cause guess what? As them run joke our page, so we black them. As them coming over there, we black them. When them come on the live, we black them. So them can't do it nowhere else. Them go over there. They saw them venting station right there. Allow them make them vents and them carry on and them tail. Cause them carry on and them tail. After my birthday, them post, go them post, come them post, go them post, come them post. I laugh, go I laugh, come I laugh, go I laugh, come I enjoy my little trip and I enjoy my little self and I tear down in my room and turn it up in a one fire. Cause kill them dead. Kill them dead, them a say her birthday, I gotta fuck her up. I gotta make her unhappy. Ma, my birthday and I make me unhappy on my birthday. That's when the maid step in my room. In there, hotter than hell. When I say hot, I mean hot. When I say hot, I mean hot in there, hot. In there burning up. You should have feel like she step in one oven and one microwave. I say them that feel like them stepping in one oven or one microwave. In the burning up, my love. When you look, you're so broke, there's so machine, there's so ruined, there's so tear and there's so mash up. Everything ruined in there. The woman just have to start from scratch. She just have to start from when them build the room from scratch because it mash right up. So when them a vent, when them a vent and them a do for them thing, my love. You just a come back champion because afraid of me for what? I don't have two arms in my head, baby girl. But you think the people are afraid of you being a year fake page. You feel like say you can come on somebody's who are going to feel bad? Are we to go back in our Wi-Fi? Because a while ago you're missing in action, you know, baby girl. You're gone back where to come back in our Wi-Fi or what? Talk to me, you're gone back in your neighbor them Wi-Fi. You see when you can come on your real page? When you can compare your real page, you talk full stop. Where you say champion? Where you say all of them are Jamaica broke like buckle? Where you say rewrite that mama see if we Jamaicans you talk. Make me start pan you. Make me start pan you. Mama see your name. Can you see you know? Just make me know say we you talk. Cause right now, kinda in the mood. A long time in the mood. I know my jail. Yum full stop ass. Can look by your page with the 30 followers there. I'm not class 8 now. I want to know say I mean you talk first. Hey, I don't want chastise him now. Let me just, how we here talk or what? Talk to me now, mama. Me no want class here, you probably mean me good and, you understand? Oh, you never taught me. Alright, then big up yourself. See why I never cut you? But God, brothers and Nicki about bad like down at Augustown. What go on in the comments? I don't go and just look oh not even spotting in your face. Talk truth na Vanny. Talk truth na Vanny, the nice cream. Remember them tell me so I can't get brown and my cream tired and my skin you know. I'm gonna just show up and show out, you know, and make them know so listen. I'm brown when I feel like I'm a black when I want. Me not have to get up 24/7 every day for your rub. Every day for your rub for one. I have a lot of white nice customer. Them were white and nice. But I need for brown every minute. No, I ain't in a no mood. Please to go put on clothes and galaga caves. You know, I don't like them. Woman are Venus. Baby girl, you see when you see me talk? I am not drawn out. You see, drawn out is when I'm on live. I'm a mad and I'm just attack fast. I'm just a cuss a bag of bad word. I'm just a that's draw out. This is Nicki overall. Any friend, anybody will meet me, anybody will see me when I'm there with my friend them. This is me. This is how I talk. This is Nicki. So those say draw out. Sometimes I just don't answer stuff. And sometimes I just feel idle and feel like say, yeah. Can get her one answer and trouble her. Fuck with her. That's me. You know the look of fucker friend them? Me are the fucker friend. You know some fucker friend where mock them and laugh. And you do some look of simple things and them get up and run, go out there and drop themselves and they and laugh and trouble, you know. Eh? Me are the fucker friend. So at the end of the day when you see me I move certain way, I'm just in my fucker vibes. You get what I say? I don't know draw out. Nobody can draw me up, baby girl. Back then you could have drawn me up because guess what? But they done unhappy so me not have it and they do not remind me say my blood clot not have it. When Mika send me request Mika and she now come for my life come say shit, you know. My life and say shit. Yeah, vanish live by everybody name. What's your? Mika, what the problem? Eh?
I'm nice clean matey.
Like a man thumping your nose. And we just eat. I can't want bugger. Oh. But just you drop something for your nose. Kill my dead and drop piece of bugger and eat it. Remember you had to say you stay no girl. So now come on live and go on nice. Remember I say you stay. Chosen one. Tell the truth and done with what? Talk to me now come now. I'm not really see what I talk about. Yes, Nika is a brown white user. And she brown already now. She did have a look of color and she want to peel. What did she white like a tractor? She said, Nicki Minaj rub. You know what she want white? You want missing?
Yeah, more when you see me, you can't see me.
You want what?
More when you see me, you can't see me. Tone peel.
Why you hide? You have herpes for your lip?
Nicki, you know something I like you.
You just as bad answer me, you know. You just as bad answer me. What she had this to say? Champagne. Look what she said. Come on, can't bother for scroll too far now. Alisa B, Nicki the man murder what because Nicki get the listen. I don't really feel like say that lady can get picture and send it out. And not send me. Me in the woman DM I beg like a baby. Me say please send it to me, beg you please. All of man say me pay 100,000 any amount of money for see the picture, please. You
And I
really
know.
I know. Any picture she can get her when the person attend other people wedding. And even so be the case if it's that him married, you know, it not no problem to me as long as he's not married while we there.
Right.
If he was married before, back in the days, 1992, 1943, wherever I want to marry, they say as long as he's not married while we there. To bring down the farm across is for me and stop anyone of my hustle them and my business and any little praises you gotta give me. Me no mind. But listen, I beg, please send me, please, just send me, please, me I beg you. Come on. You look like you come from Arab. Hmm? So at the end
My
of the day,
favorite, you know,
me
girl,
not
I'm a
care.
favorite cringe.
Them
Like your
ever say
mother
me
big
and
pussy.
them ever say me and Mika favor. Look, oh Mika. Head big and you know them bubble head they when you used to get bad back then.
Look how
Watch out,
nice.
fix it up. Watch out, fix it up. Mika, your favorite green. Wicked girl make Nicki know you want poison her before you still a carry feelings. What? Nicki know you want poison her because if Mika still a carry feeling over fear ex, me would have personally poison she. What you think, Mika? How you can't in love and dumb so?
May I tell you?
Love not so strong for nobody. You know some of the easiest ex to get rid of? Me are the easiest ex to get rid of. If me and a boy left him not for worry about me. Me not going a girl DM. Me not throw shades, me not throw what, me not get trouble, no, me just dead and me just gone right there. So me not care if you want to say, oh the boy fuck you, I left you, oh the boy no want you, oh this, that. None of my ex me see there before. None of them girl them can say me ever text him, trouble him, post him. Nothing of the sort. Me never see them. Me never screw up my face. Me never skin up my face. Me never go near them. Me never bounce against them. No trouble. No trouble. No trouble. No trouble. Easy, 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 easy girl to get rid of. Easy.
Yeah, trouble them
I
blood
remember when
clot.
Vanny carry news about you to me. She and what Alisa be. At the end of the day, no, people can always talk, as long as I'm not touched, baby girl. Say if a girl want to talk this or listen, a lot of people hate people for a lot of reasons. So if them nobody hate them, what? What you want me to do? Remember when them hate me? And what? Shamali, my lace is now old. I have on that area from last week Sunday. It's now Monday. I'm gonna tie it down. A lot of makeup going out when I do my makeup and all different type of stuff. So now
What you say about it? What you say about the wig?
say the lace will bleach. I'm for bleach my lace like she a blood
And your
clot.
pussy want bleach. My pussy earliest bitch.
I Bunny don't start with me, but no man no want to you have to mind them. Leave the little girl. Right now, I stop follow man minding. I stop follow girl what's the girl mind man. Cause guess what? Everybody knows say mind man. You know, everybody in the say once a girl have a little money, she a mind man. Mika, make a reason. You used to know have it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Me used to not have it, right? We used to broke. Sometimes probably me get put out, probably you get put out, probably we have to walk a catch right there. So when I have no money, we're hungry. We see the people in my case.
Hold on, them class together. Nisha come suck my pussy.
Who
What's
that?
not
Nisha?
Nisha.
I see Nisha how long, Nisha vector life and life, girl. Listen, guys. Me can come from somewhere, I'm not have it and take it again, boy.
Mm-hmm.
No time. Me not see that happening. No time. You get me? You see me not like touch my money. Once me see me have 100K, my love, if me forgot pay my fare for the 100K, me not pay it, me I walk because me not bust it. And me that.
You not touch it.
Me not touch it. And me that. Once me have a flat 100, a flat 50, nah touch. And me that. And you see me now, man is very hard to mind. Quincy, you can talk because you mind, man. So Quincy, you talk. Man not hard to mind, Quincy. Talk to it. They're very hard to mind. When we want to look at $1,000 slippers at downtown for them, so worse if your man now wear fake. Worse if your man wear fake the blood clot and him want one shoes where for $18,000 or $130 US. When my man buy no fake, my love. I'm buy the real shit. And I'm very hard to mind. I can't even take my money so I pay for trim because I never know say I saw trim there. Trim for most of us $700 or $800. For trimming a man about $700 to $800. And if we want to line up her eyebrow, it's 3 bills at the barber shop. That is very expensive to me. Me not I answer. Remember say I be a promo me get and be a free listen now look up. And I like when I get it now. But back then used to get look a free ear, they look a free clothes, they look a free shoes, look a free it, look a free be a free list. So me if you get up with the bag of fruits and come and give man. I feel like I'm sick and not take some farmer drugs. So if you know, if them know me long time, them would have know how me stay.
Hey, the champion tickers girl shop for Vani, you know.
Mr. She argue with Vani. Listen to me. It's when Vani messaged me the first time in my DM. Vani only wanted to be friends with me. And I declined it because you know how me say I'm not really friendly from all time. I'm not friendly long time now. Zin? And that is how the whole incident started. You know, she started chastise me and class me and whatever. At the end of the day, probably she just feel away and whatever. And she want to get up and show her cuss or show her class or show her vex. She can do whatever she wants to do. Now the girl changed and she changed her life. I want to remind her and remind me about the past. You don't need to remind me about the past. I remind she about the past. Past are the past. Leave them, make them poison and leave them make them blood clot kill me. Quincy, listen, them are going to say my mind, man, for feel better about themselves because guess what hurt them? Hurt them how them never used to get the type of love and the type of this and the type of that. So me I get, so them must say, you see once somebody did have a man and a man used to treat them like shit.
But Ricky used to talk, say, you mean a blood clot, you mean bad.
Anybody may have 100 proof of meanness. 100 proof of meanness. Me have a whole heap of the meanness. Me have a different piece of meanness. I feel like someone born February. I feel like someone born February. I say me have an ex, so I tell her say. I tell her say him have one of the fake page them. Kind of act like a mama man. And him can tell her one time come to me. And him say, like him a rush out. I say, babes, you can lend me 20 grand. For do this, just lend me for now. I say 21. We can't come baby face. No, I'm baby face. Tell him I say 21. 20 how much? I look back at me, I say me? What you say? I say listen to me, I never see 20 grand in my life. At them time the girl me I make 20 grand a million times. I say I never see 20 grand in my life. $20,000. Listen. I said the man share the man call baby face same time I said baby face. I will never ever beg that girl for nothing again because then I like I take me and take it and borrow me and borrow it. But me can imagine you a man said babes lend me 20 million just some pan 20,000 just want 20,000
and give me
you just want 20,000 only here or buy what you want and here's $10,000 for doing anything else and here's $1,000 for the fear. Any day me mad saying is a rope me a blood clot take and go in a mango tree and jump off the girl. I'm not asking enough. I don't care how much money you give me. Me not care. Not ask me for nothing. Not ask me. Me not like it, man. First thing first, me not talk to nobody we broke. Say if me not talk to nobody we broke and the man have money and him look at you and beg 20 grand already in blood clot, you already I can have a thing for him.
true.
Ready me, I ready I. And if I see a man a beg me, I know say yeah, ready. And my man have never beg me yet. Never. That you, the hype. So when them say mine. If ex I'm supposed to name champion tickets would be when I'm ex I'm supposed to know them hype. Hype piece of boy. Hype. Alright, Kelsey, 20 grand are not really enough money to me. But enough money to me.
Yeah.
Enough blood clean money. You know, I'd rather get $1,000 like every other day more than figure you 120 grand one time.
Yeah,
I'd rather get like 5 or I'd rather get two bills instead of figure the one like $20,000. Make my friend them tell about me when me in a them partner. Partner, I one of the wickedest thing, girl. You have to run me down for my PA. That's a number one. You have to stand up strong for your foot.
Blood clot, Nisha. Me have to silent because Nicki not talk with me want hear me. You know me freaky and nasty, no blood clot. So I know my segment, so me I go quiet and come suck my pussy.
Danny Boo or him just don't have it. Listen. As if me I talk to a man, I'm say him have him look things them and him always decide make sure something okay and whatever. I will more help you if my sister you not have it. I me hear you talk on the phone like you don't have it. And possibly, maybe me will jump up. Me not sure no, I'm not say it. Possibly, maybe me will jump up and say whatever. But me not like when, you know, you're not the money, I first person you turn to me. You don't turn to me first, a blood clot. Look how much place I can turn. You have north, south, east, and west. So the fuck you want to turn to me first? So you have mother, father, sister, brother, uncle, and blood. How much people you have? Hmm? But me know why you just nav it. You just say, like, you call it, you nav it. You say, 50 grand. You need 50 grand. I'm just say, Johnny, you know, I have a 50 grand there. Yo, babes, you can't get, no. Su round first. Su round. Go so good this, so good this, so good this. And make me see a call and say, you have $50,000. No, you have $50,000. Can let me tell you? No, you're not. And then we'll just say, babes, can give 25 today and 25 tomorrow. The way all my tight. But if I give 50 grand one time. You get what me I say? Me not care who are class me, who are vet and who are this and who are that. I don't care. I grew up with my mother mean and tight and I eat me fella off of a morning. Up to my father, we're full of money, we're full of money, we're full of money. When I call that man, him not a problem for giving kids them things. Him love giving kids them things. Guess when time I call him and I tell him say, Daddy, your chrome white bill come up to 90 and 1,000. I say man stay by the phone. And I like him can't pay it, you know. Him can more than pay it. And me that too.
And Nisha, it better when we suck the body soft, it better that way there. It not cause
when
no
Nisha
damage.
underneath the sauce, so when Nisha name, make I chastise her blood cleats in the comments.
That shape, mama.
Champion tickers, you come off from me and go up on Ivan, you no go up on Ivan, and me want your cuss, because me come from a page at far.
I'm supposed to suck right soft body. It's better when
I
it's
will
suck
take you off
soft.
of this, you know. I will take, because you in your own look community, you argue, you know. Aye. Exactly. That is how people save money. I will always can buy whatever I want and I will always think so always this or always that. But truth and in fact, I don't waste cash. I don't waste it. Me have money and God bless when you will see me get up and say, Nicki chromaz got 20 grand, pull up, Nicki chromaz got this. Listen to me, sometime I some flyer me go put on. And the selector rate me and say, Nicki chromaz got 10 grand, I'm gonna just take the iPad roll out like a general. A flyer me give away. Yeah?
Oh. I never get a blood clot, 10 much less for 20.
And one time I remember giving away money. One time I have one blood clot girl who used to cuss me and class me back then and tell me say, my broke, I'm a this, I'm a that, I'm a whatever. I say I have my money at the time, you know, girl. I'm a dip on a piece of hype, you know, come just get some money from a local fine man, you know. I gotta dance, I'm just trip up on the ground, so I'm a trip up on the ground. And girl must say, you know, some people in the morning, them would think and say, what me just do? You never have to wait till morning. 2 minutes after. 2 minutes after. I want back my money. I want back the whole life. The video on YouTube, I say I want back the whole of my money same time. I want it back. Yeah, the girl feel away, but me feel worse. I want back my money. So I know what them talk about. So when they must pay your baby school fee when they're paying all. And those expensive.
No.
Excuse
my money, man. Which man me go mind with it?
Excuse my whatever. It's when it comes to kids, me's a pitney person. I will spend anything for my pitney. I left myself with 10 nana. I love kids. Kids not forget without it. From a young, my father spoil me down to the tea when you're pitney. Yeah, when look how baga go on and then him never really have it at them time that me feel it. But me have it. So me now go and make my pitney have it, baby girl. I go to the best prep school. Remember me no know maths, so she have to come teach me. I believe in giving my money, but if me and you there and you always give me, make sure my always good. And one time I run shop and money and ask me, then that is the time we'll give him money. Stacy boss lady, that is true. But nah, I don't talk about that. But guess what? At the end of the day, you see, from you have a man where you look at illegal stuff, and you have a girl where I push you and I push you for the right things. I don't feel like a fall short on some 50,000. The fall short, then when you go fall short on some 1 pint add, some 2 pint add, some 7 pint add. Them money they are fall short on. You can't have a girl like me in your life and fall short on 20 to 50,000. It is a kill its blood clot, man. And when there's a careless man, and you see a girl like me, I go out there and I do my thing and I work at night time and you sit down and nod and I want beg me and now blood clot get it. Me not care how dirty me want look or if me want look like shit or me want this, it now work. Cause you see me sit down and make my honest bird. I sit down and make my honest bird and I do my honest things. So if you want to do the illegal way, if you get fast money and drop on your face, that depend on you. And you're not supposed to do that. Because some man as them get a money, them go and go squander it. 4, 5, 6 NSC buckle. You wear money, dash where this money pull up. Me not depend them something, they not see me waste money, them blood clean way there. My born February. Oh, you say ask my birthday just gone one day, yeah. I born February the 11th. But me, I go up on the road.
Yeah, me I go get myself together for come on my blood clot. Yeah.
Right, Mills? Alright, later come on from my blood clot live.
Come fuck me.
Right, Mills? Me not understand how people do that. You get up out of your bed and get up and go to work and your man lay down. I play some blood clot game. I play some little full game and I play some little football or watch some little TV and get up and smoke weed. And then you are work your ass off. And one thing with my man, I'm a rate him helpful body, you know. I'm a rate a man with helpful and not look for nothing. A man with genuinely helpful. And that make me an inside. So at the end of the day, nobody could make me stop chatting. Can help me up until today, yeah. You get what me I say? I like people who help them girl, push them, motivate them, make them go out there. So she teach them the right way. Cause if it's up to me, I skip everything. I skip everything and hear me. So I have to do that part there. Some I can do that part there and then do that. I have to do that and say yes, they have to do it. You get what me I say? Say to me now. When I get up and I work at 24/7 while man sit down and lie down in a bed and then I go come ask me for my money when me I work at. So none at all. Me not understand how some girl get up and pay some man rent. How some girl get up and pay man rent. How some girl get up and pay light bill and water bill. For see a next girl in there. I burn out the TV. And I run out the whole of the charger, the part where you charge your phone and I name out the fridge. What you say? And that's a one thing where, listen to me, I not swear for no man. I not swear for no man. I one thing never hear me say, me, my man, nah, give me about this, that. You will come to me and me will tell you, say, nothing now go, so I want some receipts, I want something, I want some proof. You get what I say? The only time my man can go get you when him there work, all my do I tell a lie and tell me say I come home late. I'm gonna be a bit late today, or this or that or whatever. But we clingy from morning go straight to night. If me not depend live, me depend on video call. So at the end of the day, me not give no man no money and no girl enjoy it. I give no man no things and no girl enjoy it. When we have a serious relationship where sister no girl no in our thing. No bagger no in our blood cleating, no bagger mix up, no bagger name calling, no girl, no call, no phone, no this, no that password and everything, which is what is happening into my relationship. Then I can let down my guards. And I will be like, okay, we can have a helpful relationship, but it's still not gonna be a mining relationship. Never. When I ever feel comfortable for me alone and the breadwinner in a no relationship. In the Bible, it says man is the breadwinner. It never say we, woman, are the breadwinner. Enough man like me, you know, and enough man hate me. And I say, oh, you're not a real girl, this, that, whatever. One man come for put him so one truck in my vehicle. Now my personal car, as I came and said to me, say, yo, you would make, you carry your body, you would make your man drive it or whatever. Some say to him, say, no. I will never make my man drive my car. You're crazy. I will never, ever make my man drive my car. You know, and him have a car for himself, see him some say. And him cuss me, and him class me, and him this me, and him that. And it all ends up with who you really like. it all ends up with who you really like and who you really trust. When you trust your woman, when you make your woman trust you a certain way, when you're not the look of fuckery, when you're not bagger, when you're on the social media, when your phone not ring, when your phone not text, when you're not on code by your phone, when you're not move guilty, when you're on the road, you can't hold and you can't suck out and you can't kiss, you can't just do anything when you want to do, a woman will more trust you and a woman will more go back on her words because enough things me say me would have never do what me need to. Yes, if I make your woman feel a little special type of way, a little nice way, they make you go back on our words. And how much in a while when me turn up and say, oh, no time, never, ever, no time. What you say? You have to make me feel secure. You have to make me feel safe to get certain things out of me. You can't just get up and there with woman and feel like, say, girl, I go just say, or girl, I go just say, When me feel secure and me feel safe in my relationship and I don't feel like I am there, I don't feel like I eat that, I know I make no girl laugh off of me. No girl not in my blood clot DM. No girl not in my DM and no girl na bother my phone or call on my phone. The least them can do is argue with me and I say, oh, if no want you, I'm gonna left you. Me alright with them message them. If I them message you, gonna tell me, so me alright with that. Oh, the man no want you. Oh, him gonna left you. Oh, him not stay long. Him not stay with nobody long. If you want them, because that's all I get. I don't care. I don't care. Me feel well blood clot secure. So enough things I'm saying nah do, I mean will never do, me will do it. But one thing you will never do is talk to a man that is not doing nothing for himself, that is not working, that just not do nothing. A trying man will go out there and go send off his resume and his application form and try for things and get turned down different than a man just get up and say, nah, blood clot do it. Them man they are when them are dead, them not get $100. Yeah, when them are dead, them not get $100. My man will never come and beg me, and if he do beg me, I know I really, really need it. I know I really, really need it. I probably if he beg me 20, I probably say I have 20, I have 10 when I have 20, but I just owe me stay, I owe my heart stay a certain way. You get me? Because at the end of the day, a man will come nice and everything, you know. And them come like this nice one, and them come in like a crisis, you know. And then guess what? Me not left no relationship with no regrets. I said, Jano, look how I do this. Look how I pay the rent. Look how I give this. Look how I make sure I'm okay. Look how I make sure them have shoes. Look how I make sure I'm having clothes them. Look how I make sure this. Look how I make sure that and whatever. I now walk with them regrets. They said me rather help my blood clean man. If him not, I rather help him have it more than to take up on me. Just a give. No something so. Because you see the moment a man will come to you and